In this video, we will talk about Subtractive Helix. Hey there everyone, welcome back again to this FreeCAD series where we are covering FreeCAD from beginning. So if you are new here, want to learn how to work with FreeCAD, then check out our entire playlist that I have attached in the description of this video. Also, if you are from mechanical domain, I would consider you to subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as in this channel, I'm gonna cover various aspects or topics related to mechanical engineering. Alright, so let's begin the topic of this video, which is Subtractive Helix. And for that, first of all, what I'm gonna do here is I am going to delete this feature. And what here you see is a kind of bolt that I thought of. I'm gonna use it. And this is basically of standard M8. And of course, the dimension can be, a little bit here and there, but I tried to make it M8. Now, what I'm going to do next here is, let's say I need to come up with the threads for this. And since, let me quickly show you. Since this is 8 mm, therefore we need to actually subtract the area, not add the area. So let's quickly draw the section. For that, let's click on the sketch option. And now I'm going to select this XZ plane, which kind of, pass through center of this part. For that, we can use this create external geometry feature. So let's click on it. And now I am going to take this reference. Now let's click here on line. And of course, I need to convert it into construction geometry. And let's take the distance here as, let me quickly give it as 2 mm. All right. So now this is 2 mm. And let's say I would like to go with metric style thread. And generally, if we talk about the coarse thread, they have a pitch of 1.25 mm. So let's have that thread ready. And let's first of all toggle again this construction geometry so that we can create our section. I think there are certain references. So let's pull it further down. Now I can give it like 1.249. Now let's go here and I'm gonna shoot it like this. And from here also like this. And let's trim this using this trim tool. Alright, so let me quickly add here constraint, equal constraint. And there you go. And we already have provided this value. Now let's click on close. Now the sketch is ready. Let's click here on Subtractive Helix. And there you go. Now here I can define the pitch. So let's make it 1.25. And here we can define the pitch height. So let's make it 17 mm because there was 2 mm offset. And now click OK. And there you go. Here we have got our pitch ready. Now there are a few other customization. For example, let's say you just want to remove the opposite side of material, which is the remaining part, where we are not performing any operation. So here you can see we just form this kind of feature. Let's uncheck it. And now here we have got option to change the direction of helix, or you can make it left-handed, which again in my opinion could be useful when you would like to create this kind of thread, or there should be all the possibility that we can able to draw or make. So in this way you can also define pitch, height, cone angle, but also we have got option to change the mode. So right now the mode is pitch, height and angle. You can also define the number of turns. For example, you want precise 15 number of turn, you can do that. Or probably you might have remaining 2 requirement. So based on your requirement, you can define which one you would like to go with. And then from here, you can also choose the axis direction. Maybe, by default, the FreeCAD might have chosen the wrong axis. So you have option to correct the axis. Now let's click OK. So in this way, guys, we can utilize Subtractive Helix, and we also saw different possibilities and options inside this tool. And that's also wrap up this video. Hope that you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow us along in this FreeCAD journey, as well as other mechanical engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.